Hello guys, and in this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to watch free online movies. Yeah, this is going to be fun. Okay, let me walk you through this. This website is very, you know, simple for anyone to start watching movie. As you can see, you just scroll down and you see the movie that you like. You can just click on it. Never watched this movie before, so but I'm gonna see this one. So as you can see, you can download as well on this site. So but now I'm just gonna watch this movie, right now. So I'm just walking you through this step to get you start watching movie in just a couple of minutes. I'm gonna put a link in the description for this site so you guys could get to it as easy as possible. So let's see how it goes when I click on the image. Okay, I could use the free user at this point, yeah, and just it play right there, and then the movie should start play right away. So let me just go back over this site here. You could play on this site, or you could just come and click this button. Let's say watch this movie now. You can just click the now button and then you go to the next site. But yeah, that's basically it. As you can see, my movie is right here. I'm watching my movie in just 2 minutes. As you can see, it's very simple. You guys just get on over there and watch your movie, your favorite movie. Yeah, you can share your movie with your friends and family. Yeah, it's fun. So yeah, please like and comment on this video if you like what I just show you. So just have fun watching your movie. Okay, see you next time.